This is Ronnie Magsanok of the Meralco Bots. Samahan niyo akong magbalik tanaw sa nakaraan dito sa PBA Slideshow. This photo was taken around 1983. To the extreme left is the legendary juniors coach Edmundo Ato Badulato. He won, I think, about 17 titles for the San Beda Red Cubs from the 70s all the way to the millennium. And this trophy just symbolizes yung youthful passion for the sport. Yung kultura ng pagiging isang winner ay na-develop nitong grupong ito. Some players who were not able to make their jump to the collegiate ranks or eventually to the professional ranks were able to influence athletes such as Eric Altamirano, Dindo Pumaren, Jerez Plana, Benji Paras, and McDonald De Hoya to be the best that they can be. Yung brush up na look na yan at yung bigote na yan ay dahil sa merong isang tiga-San Beda dati na naging sikat na mga awit. Idol talaga namin nun si Haji Alejandro. Kaya lahat kami nun sa San Beda, brush up, sa kami bigote. Dahil ang feeling namin, pag ganun kami, talagang parang macho ang dating. Nakakatawa rin talaga. I was 19, turning 20. Immediately after playing for UP, pagkatapos namin makuha yung UAAP Championship noong 1986, pinalad kami na maging member ng national team ng Pilipinas at kami ay lumaro sa Asian Games sa Seoul, Korea. And we were able to finish in the 3rd spot. At probably this success jump-started our careers. I made my entry to the PBA in the year 1988.
And then the point laureate are on a scoring binge. When they reign with rainbows, they really bore.
And when I made my leap from the amateur to the professional ranks, siguro nasa 150 pounds ako. At ito rin yung era na mas mahaba pa yung punda ng unan kaysa sa mga shorts. Kaya eto, kailangan mabilis ka tumakbo dahil talagang hapit na hapit at kapit na kapit ang aking mga suot. Coliseum Field to the rafters, hanggang baba, punong-puno. This was one of the better years for the PBA. And ako, naniniwala ako na parating na rin ulit tayo dyan sa punong-punong mga Coliseum at patuloy na rivalry na naman para sa ating mga koponan. Ito yung opening ng Asian Games sa Beijing. At ang goal namin noon ay hindi lang madala yung bandila ng Pilipinas, kung hindi, makakuha ng mas maraming pin sa iba-ibang countries. At si Coach Norman Black, na siyang deputy ni Coach Sonny Jaworski noon, tinawag kami para magpakuha ng litrato. At kaya hindi masyado kami nakangiti dahil ang gusto namin talaga ni Benji ay umikot ng umikot. At dito naniniwala ako na mas mabilis akong kumilos kay Benji dahil mas marami akong nakuwang pins. Dahil hindi kanila maintindihan, dahil hindi lahat ng nations dyan nakakasalita ng maayos na English. Ang tawag namin, changey. The pin of the Philippine flag for the pin of their nation. 1990. That flag symbolizes our ambitions. That flag symbolizes our passion. At anytime you play for your country and your flag, you're bound to overachieve. And I felt that this group really was able to overachieve. We were beaten by China in the eliminations by 65 points. At sa aming pagtawag sa Pilipinas, sinabihan kami ng aming mga mahal sa buhay na people were a little mad and people were ridiculing the team because we lost by 65. Little did they know na nung lamang na ng 30 points, pinul out na talaga ni Coach Sonny Jaworski yung starting unit. And sinabi niya, sige, babawian natin yung mga yan pagdating sa finals. In the finals, we nearly beat China. We lost by about 6 or 8 points. But it was a performance that earned us the admiration of a lot. But more than the admiration of the people, we felt that we were able to build a bond. Naging magkakaibigan itong grupong ito dahil talaga during that time, talagang literally, mortal na magkakaawa yan pagdating sa hardcore. They love to call this the Matt and Jeff combo. Tinawag na rin kaming Batman and Robin.
Tipong Sanchez ng dalawa. What a shot! Yan ang ating play of the day. Ay sus, Mariano. Napakaganda nun.
Spots, Ronnie Magsanok up ahead.
Hoy, ang ganda ng play
yun. Sila pa rin yung dalawa. Ronnie Magsanok to Benji Paras.
Papasa yung play, pick and roll. Oh!
Magsanok. Oh!
Yes! Here's the shot by Ronnie Magsanok.
Yun, 1, 2,
3, 4!
I think this was at the Ultra. At siguro magkatabi kami mula nung high school hanggang college. Magkatabi kami hanggang sa PBA at halos magkasunod din kami nag-retire. Ako'y talaga nagpapasalamat dahil over the course of the last 20 years, yung personal at professional life namin ni Benji parang intertwined. At we won a lot of titles together, we shared a lot of hardships together, we also found a lot of success. At ang tingin ko sa kanya ay para talagang isang kapatid at isang mabuting kaibigan. This is Ronnie Magsanok of the Meralco Balls dito sa PBA Slideshow.